Here with me is the Huawei Watch Fit 2, and I'll be doing an unboxing and first impression of the smartwatch. So upon opening the box, I'm greeted with a Huawei free lace, which is part of a pre-order for the Huawei Watch Fit 2. And putting that aside, we are greeted with the Huawei Watch Fit 2 itself. It comes in 3 different colors, which are blue, black, and pink. And the one I have here, it's the blue in color. And putting that aside, you have the paperwork, which comes with the warranty card and an instruction/safety manual, as well as the charging cable, with one end being USB-A and the other end being the magnetic charger to the back of the watch. On the watch itself, you could see that there is a single button on the right, and at the back you have the charging pin connector as well as some health sensors. And if you want to swap out for a different band, you could easily press the button at the back to release the band and replace to the one of your liking. So the strap of the watch resembles a regular watch instead of the typical fitness like of design, but the material of it is the same as the typical one, which is silicone strap, which is more fitting to a fitness watch. I like the texture and color of it, but if you don't, there are other options for you to pick from, such as the classic edition, which comes in grey or white in color together with a leather strap, as well as the elegant version, which comes in silver or gold in color alongside a Milani strap. So one of the main features of the Huawei Watch Fit 2 is this display. It features a 1.7-inch full view display, and it feels like a small smartphone that is shrink down to fit at your wrist. The other feature of the watch is Bluetooth calling, which is stated on the box, where you could actually answer a call directly on your watch instead of using your mobile phone, meaning to say that the watch actually comes with a speaker as well as a microphone for you to have a two-way communication with whoever it's on the call. And given that the name has the word fit in it, it focuses on workout activities, and based on what is stated on the box, it features 97 different workout modes and also have an automatic SpO2 detector. It has also quick workout animation, which I believe it should show on the watch while doing workout, and it states that it has a durable battery life. And based on what it is advertised, you could actually use the watch up to 7 days based on heavy usage and 10 days of typical usage. And let's see whether or not it is true in the next video, where I actually give the full review of the Huawei Watch Fit 2. And in terms of its charging capabilities, it uses the magnetic pin at the back of the watch, and based on what it is advertised, you could actually have a full day usage with a quick 5-minute charge. So if you somehow forgot to charge your watch overnight or the night before, you could just simply plug up to the charger and have a quick charge while you prepare yourself for the day. So other specification of the watch is that it has a 5 ATM waterproofing, so you have no issue bringing it to a swimming pool if you go to wear the watch for a swim. But I don't, so I won't be testing that. Maybe some splashes of water, sure, but not into a pool. And I noticed that there is no NFC on board for this version. However, if you were to get the classic or elegant version, there will be NFC in it. But even if there is NFC, I doubt there will be payment service such as Google Pay because it is running Harmony OS. So let's try to put on the watch for the first time. And honestly, like any other regular watch, it is pretty simple for you to actually slot it in and secure it with the band here. And it doesn't feel very heavy. Based on the specs itself, it weighs 30 grams together with the strap. And I feel that this weight is a pretty comfortable weight if, say, you were to bring this for a run. And in my opinion, it kind of looks good on the wrist itself. And I'll be testing out to see whether or not it has a good UI UX experience while using the watch for various purposes. So with that, this will be a short video on the Huawei Watch Fit 2 with the unboxing as well as the first impression, as well as stated what is being advertised on the box itself. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, do comment down if you have any opinions, and do subscribe if you are interested to know the full review of the Huawei Watch Fit 2. Thanks for watching.